I'm here with Mike Luthiger, VP of Telecom here at Claritas. Mike, tell us about yourself. What team do you support here at Claritas? What industries do you support, and how do you support them?
Awesome. Thanks, Monique. Hi, my name is Mike Luthiger. I lead up our telecom vertical. In my opinion, it spans very much wireless carriers, internet service providers, smart home, smart security, and we also expand into other tech as well. Been with Claritas for about 10 full years and worked across many different roles in this space as well.
So tell us, what are the three non negotiable pieces of data or solutions that you think every brand marketer in the telecom industry needs to have in their back pocket to achieve success?
Absolutely. So, number one, I think you definitely need a solid understanding of who your customer is and who they are not. Having a segmentation system built specifically for the tech and telecom industry allows you to really pump your marketing dollars right back into the households that matter most and really ensure there's no waste in your media budget. Every dollar, in my opinion, is absolutely valuable, and I encourage you to deploy those dollars into the households with higher probability to be your customer. Number two would be having a detailed identity graph. This data can inform campaigns by allowing you to fine tune messages to certain audiences. For example, do I need to target switchers, those with an older device, or should I just go directly after my competitor with a new offer to attract subscribers? Our identity graph allows you the flexibility to find and target key audiences across your industry. Number three has to be multi channel campaigns. Reaching your audience in many different channels like offline, email, social, and digital allows your messaging to be seen and acted on. Pairing all these channels together with Claritas segmentation can create a high lift audience.
What was your biggest success story to come out of 2022?
So I think our biggest success story of last year was when a prospect was tasked with standing up an entirely new marketing function at a new company. They had a limited budget, tight timeline, and they called us. Their experience with us in the past was positive, so they came back and we really became their trusted partner. So what we started with is we found that our data, our tools, and a lot of our solutions aligned with their goals to generate growth right out of the gates. We worked with them to understand who their customer is, what their markets look like, and also help them really get in front of these customers and prospects with our email and digital services. We have other projects in the works right now. It's still early, but we've quickly become their right hand.
If the success story Mike just shared is one you'd like to try and replicate for your business, or if his non negotiables are not yet in your toolkit or are being underutilized, visit the Contact Us tab on our website. Thanks, Mike.